show you how you can download R or RStudio, but I would suggest you to download RStudio, which is much better than R. There are a couple of libraries which you can use it for your course data science. Okay, so for R programming language, you need to use RStudio. So let's find it out how you can download the RStudio to learn R programming. So we will type in Google RStudio download. So you can see RStudio, the website has been upgraded to postit.co. Okay, now we don't need to go into this website. We will scroll down. We will go to old version of RStudio, which is the earlier websites. This is www.rstudio.com. Click it and you will see here there are old versions of RStudio available, but this is the latest version 2022.07.1. We will click the installer. You can see here there are a lot of files are available to download RStudio. We will download RStudio for desktop. Now depending upon your operating system, whether it's a Ubuntu, whether it's a Red Hat, whether it's a Fedora, whether Ubuntu 22, whether Ubuntu 22 installer or less, or Windows 10 plus, if it's a 11 version Windows, you can download depending upon the bit of the window. So we will go to as my operating system is having Windows 10 plus, this is the 64-bit you can see here. So we will download this one. Click it. It will. You can see here you have chosen to open RStudio.exe file. It's a very small file size, 181 MB. Click save. Once it get downloaded, you can run it. Now I'll scroll it a little bit more. If you're having a Mac book, you can download it, this version of this RStudio, or if you are familiar with other version you want to download it, you can download it. We have a RStudio server which you can use it, but I would suggest you to use the desktop version, which is much user friendly, and it will fulfill your requirement. So I've already downloaded. I'll make the file run. Okay, this file, once it's downloaded, you can run it. You can see here in the pop-up message, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click yes, and you can see it's almost started the installation process. This is the welcome to RStudio setup. Click next. You need to set up in the C drive, because there is a path variable which you can define it at later stage. Click next, click installed, and it will install the RStudio in your system. So it will take couple of few more minutes to complete the whole process. You need to wait because it's having a lot of libraries .dll files are there, which is being extracted and is being installed in your system. Give it a couple of more minutes. Some more files are there. We are nearly done. Some more files are there. 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 Here it's almost the installation process is about to finish now. Once it get done, you will get the shortcut icons in the desktop and you can start using RStudio. So a couple of more minutes are left over. It's nearly done. Few more seconds. It's almost done. It's yeah. Few more minutes are there. Nearly done. Couple of more seconds to go. So you can see here it's created the shortcut and it has been successfully completing our studio setup. We will click finish. We will go to start, scroll it down, and we will look for RStudio. Alright, so this is the RS showing. Click it and we have successfully, this is the console, right? So we have successfully installed RStudio. We are using 64-bit. Thanks for watching this video.